What's the meaning of considerable? Considerable. Considerable.
Considerable. Considerable. The term considerable refers to something that is large or significant in size, amount, degree, extent, or importance. It is usually used to describe something that is worthy of attention or careful consideration due to its notable characteristics or impact. For example, a considerable amount of time, effort, or money indicates a substantial investment of resources. A person with considerable skill or experience would possess a considerable advantage over others in a particular field. In short, the term considerable connotes something noteworthy, substantial, or important in various aspects.